ADAP is a Canadian-based organization. We started 3 years ago trying to get voices of ethnic minorities, especially Azerbaijanis, heard from Iran. We are in daily contact with various ethnic groups, especially Azerbaijanis, as I mentioned, and we are in touch with the families of the political prisoners, and we also try to campaign and bring awareness about the overall situation of Azerbaijan. Of election uprising, we had reports from Tabriz and Urmia that there were some small demonstrations in various parts of the cities. But as time passed, most of these areas got very quiet. We had reports from even Kurdish and Baluchi and Arab areas that there were no
ای سر سبز وطن آذرآبادگان من، از تو جدا یک نفس مبادا ایران من، از تو جدا یک نفس مبادا ایران من. روزگارم در امان دور از دست گزم، پشت تو بی لرزه باد همچنان کوهستان، پشت تو بی لرزه باد همچنان کوهستان. سرفراز یاور ایران من، برو خاک ستار خان من. آنکه دلش میزند نبض جدایی در باد، با او سخن میگویم تا نگه دارد به یاد. آذرآبادگان من، جان جانان من است، قیمت خون عرس رگ ایران من است. خانه شمس و زرتشت آبروی میهن است، خانه شمس و زرتشت.